Filler is a OPD procedure. In fillers we use hyaluronic acid and it hardly takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour time. While in fillers we need to repeat the procedure every yearly to maintain your result. Your face is starting aging changes and now you are thinking of doing something for your face and you are not sure of whether you should opt for fat grafting or filler. So here I am explaining difference between fat grafting and filler. So these are the major differences between fat grafting and filler. Filler is a OPD procedure. In fillers we use hyaluronic acid and it hardly takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour time. And after procedure you can go home. But fat grafting is a surgical procedure. It needs proper management. We need some blood test of yours. You need morning admission, fasting is required, and after procedure you need to stay here for next 3 to 4 hours. And this fat grafting procedure is usually performed under sedation. While fillers provide more predictable results because if we inject one syringe of filler, we know that we'll see the difference of one syringe. So results of fillers are more predictable, while in fat grafting, whatever I'll inject, 30 to 40% of fat will get absorbed over the progress of the time and whatever will stay for life. So results of fillers are more predictable as compared to fat grafting. Also in fillers, swelling is way less than the fat grafting. But in fat grafting, source is not limited. So while doing procedure, we feel that we need to inject some more fat. So we can take out some more fat and we can inject that fat. So in fat grafting, we charge for the procedure. While in fillers, we charge per syringe. So our source is limited and we need to customize accordingly. Also, fat is all natural and apart from giving the volume refill, it also causes skin rejuvenation effect. So fat can be injected in macrofat, microfat and nanofat form. And nanofat has very good skin rejuvenation effect. While in fillers, this is of course is a foreign material and it will give you volume deficit as well as lift can be achieved with the help of fillers. This lift can't be achieved with the help of fat because fat is soft in nature. While in fillers, there are different ranges depending on the G prime. If we use high G prime product, it will give you more lift. So as I have already said that fat is all natural, so side effects of fat are way less than the fillers. Now that I have already said that fat get absorbed over the process of time, so you may need touch-up sessions, but these touch-up sessions are usually 1 or 2 sessions. While in fillers, we need to repeat the procedure every yearly to maintain your results. So this was the brief difference between the fat and fillers. So choose your procedure wisely. Both fat and fillers have their own pros and cons, and I have explained you about both fat and fillers. So and still if you are confused about choosing between fat and filler, you can contact us. Thank you.